Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober day 16. I'm not going to speak for too long because I'm running late, but I'm off to my PT session this morning. Whew, not really looking forward to it. So I'm finished up with my gym session, you guys. This shutter is annoying. Sorted out my little camera situation. I've switched from my Canon, which wasn't working because the screen basically fell off, to this Sony one, which is good because I can't be carrying around my big camera all the time. Oh, actually, if you guys are interested, I will still talk you through some of our equipment. Anyway, finished up with David, and now I'm doing my typical sit in the car, can't be bothered to get out the car and walk up all the stairs routine, which usually takes a little bit of time, but I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to shower, get ready, put some makeup on, and I put my coat back on, and then I remembered why I was actually supposed to be talking to you guys, which was just to tell you about my session, which went well today. I felt much stronger. I think because in my brain I felt stronger, like I'm not as tired as I was last week, and I just felt, yes, everything was a little bit more doable today, so that's good. It's always good to have a good session. I'm all ready, as you can see, and I'm wearing a Vlogtober classic. I'm wearing one of my Unif Jumpers. I just felt like today was the day to bring out an old fave, and I could smell some delicious food. I can smell Zach's making lunch. I haven't seen him for a few hours because he went to see David himself, and then he went to get us ingredients and stuff for lunch, but it smells amazing, so I'm looking forward to going and eating that now. And then I think I'm gonna have like a whole afternoon of reading, which I'm really looking forward to. Not super exciting vlog content for you guys, but if you are bored of me sitting at home, have no fear, because Zach and I are off to Manchester tomorrow for a night. We were supposed to be going up for an event, which has now been cancelled, which was initially a bit annoying, and obviously we've got non-refundable train tickets and a hotel booked, but I'm actually kind of looking forward to it now because I haven't been to Manchester for ages. Zach's best friend lives there, so I think we'll hang out with him and do some fun stuff, hopefully. So it's not going to be boring home vlogs all week, don't worry you guys. But anyway, I'm going to go and investigate this food situation. I'm very excited. A sort of North African salad, so Zach. This looks amazing. So I almost forgot that this evening I'm actually going for drinks with a couple of my master's friends, which I'm really looking forward to. I'm gonna go to Camden and go to a pub there and just have a couple of drinks. I managed finally to get myself to page 1000 of A Suitable Boy. Hooray! I feel like that last couple hundred pages have really taken me a while. Actually, it's more like 300 pages. Pleased to have gotten there. I was supposed to finish this book tomorrow, but I don't know if I can get through almost 500 pages in a day. I might do some more reading when I come back later though. I'm wearing other classic Vlogtober combo of this month, which is this bike blazer and these Prada boots again, and then I'm just got my old Urban Outfitters jeans on, and obviously my Unif top. I gave the dog 3 raspberries. He's now looking at me in a forlorn fashion. I gave the cat a raspberry and it's playing football with it. Yes. You can get raspberry juice everywhere. I can just see it now. And the dog's gonna come for it. Hey, mister. So it's that time of day again, you guys. I'm off to bed. I filmed barely anything at the pub because, you know, when you're catching up with someone and it's one-on-one, it feels strange to like stop the conversation to film something. So I didn't do any filming basically, but we went to the Lock Tavern in Camden and it was lovely to catch up with Nicole one of my Masters friends, just chat about life since the Masters. It's been a year of realising things. So lovely to see her, and now I'm basically going to go to sleep. I had a little bit of food downstairs, saw the cat as you saw and the dog, and it's time to go to bed. I've got to get up for a spin class for 7:30 tomorrow, which I'm not really looking forward to, but it feels good when I get to this point in the week. I feel like I've done like the bulk of my exercise. I've got a spin, one more PT and a run left. So it feels like I'm making serious progress. I'm going to go to my spin class and then it's going to be Manchester time. I'm going to need to pack after my spin class, so wish me luck on that. I like to be early for everything, trains, planes, all of it. Not got loads of time, so we'll see how that goes, but yeah, looking forward to a day in Manchester tomorrow. That should be good. But yeah, it's been a nice day today, very chill actually compared to lots of other days. I feel like I got ready for the day, but I also had quite a chill day, which is nice. So I think I'm going to leave it there for now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today. See you again tomorrow. Bye.